let's take a ride around the world far and wide. 7 wonders, oh what a sight, magical places shining bright. 7 wonders, oh what a treat, amazing places, oh so neat. Learning's fun when we explore, let's discover and see some more. The great wall winds across the land, built by many, stone by hand. A dragon's path so long and wide, marching strong with mighty pride. In India stands the Taj Mahal, a palace white, the grandest hall, with marble walls that shine so bright, it glows like magic in the night. Christ the Redeemer stands so tall, arms out wide, he welcomes all. High on a hill in Rio's breeze, watching over the land and seas. Machu Picchu on mountains high, with clouds below and touching sky. Ancient stones with stories to tell, a hidden city that's really swell. Petra's walls in desert sand, a city carved by artist's hand. Pink and gold, a sight so grand, a secret world in a silent land. The Colosseum strong and round, where gladiators once were crowned. A stage of history, bold and brave, echoes of cheers from every wave. Chichen Itza, pyramid tall, where shadows dance along the wall. A Mayan world with secrets deep, where ancient wisdom seems to sleep. 7 wonders, oh what a show, history's magic in every glow. Let's keep learning, let's explore, because the world has so much more.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then,